Hi all, welcome to UpskillMafia, where you would be learning complete full stack web development from scratch to advanced for completely free. So let's get started. First, please open this URL in your laptop or PCs so that you can reach to this dashboard. It's upskillmafia.com/mern/dashboard. And once you reach here, just click on this join campus button so that you can land to this campus where exactly you would be coming and learning full stack web development. So now let me just quickly tell you how this whole campus works and how you would be learning here. If I zoom in, so yeah, you can zoom in using your touchpad or your mouse scroll bar. And if I zoom in, you can see here's my cute little avatar, which I can move anywhere by using my arrow keys, or I can double click and it would take me there. Further, you can see here's my aura around this avatar, the white space. So basically this aura is used to connect to other members in this campus. So I can just go near to Akash and I will be connected to him. So I can just unmute myself or turn on my video, or I can even chat. And if I move away from him after this, I would get disconnected. So right, so those who would be connected by this aura, they would be able to talk to each other and hear each other. Now, further, this whole campus has three halls: event hall, learning hall, and challenge hall. In the event hall, basically all the events happens like hackathons, webinars, group challenges, or any other fun events. In the learning hall, you would be you would be starting your learning journey, and you would be accessing the content as well as the task. And in the challenge hall, we have some practice things as well as the mentor room. So in case if you face any doubts, you can directly go there and ask any doubts from the mentors. And then finally, we have this gaming arena where you can go and play multiplayer games. Now let's explore all of this one by one. So in the event hall, you can see there's a stage area where around 100 plus people can come and they all would be connected with each other. So I need not be near to anybody. I can just go to the stage and I would be connected to these people. And if I move out of this green area, I would be disconnected. So everybody who would be in this area, they would be connected with each other. Further, there are these discussion rooms. So these are basically, you can say, a breakout rooms where around 5 to 6 people can come and they can discuss, and nobody outside them would be able to hear. Going forward, let's come to the learning hall. So what we have done is we have divided whole full stack development curriculum into 22 tasks, right? So you would be first doing task 0, then task 1, then task 2, and so on till task 22, right? So, and in this whole process, you would be learning complete full stack web development. That is, you would be learning HTML, CSS, core JavaScript, advanced JavaScript, React.js, Express.js, MongoDB, Node.js, Tailwind CSS, Chakra UI, and along with 4 major group projects which you can directly add into your resume, right? So let me just show you how exactly you have to do the task. So let's say I can go to any of the task 0 tables. So let's say I go to this chair. I will click on open apps, and here you can see I've got two links. First is the video, and then there is this assignment. So I can watch this video. I can just click here and I would be able to watch the video. And once I would have watched the video, I can just click on this assignment and directly do this assignment. So this is just starting hello world assignment. So here it is shown what we have to do, and then here is the submission link. So I can just click on here and I would be able to submit my task. So this is how it would work. You would go to every task chair, then click on open apps button at the bottom, right? And after that you would be able to see the lecture. So we have lectures in both Hindi and English, and after watching lecture you can do the assignment. So you have to click on this open apps button at the bottom right. Now one more specialty is, as you can see, there are these 4 chairs, so I can actually sit with other people in this campus and do the task along with them, like along discussing with them. So that would help you to make new friends, new connections, as well as help you in doing the task in case if you face any issues. Further, if you are not able to clear any of your doubts, then you can directly go to the mentor room to discuss your doubts. Now here total 9 tasks are mentioned, as you can see, and then there is a group project. For the other 13 tasks, like as I told that there are 22 tasks, right? You can go to this web development part to left. So I can just stand here. I can go inside it. So it's a left. If I go inside it, I would be taken to a similar campus like this, where you would find other tasks, like starting from task 10 to task 22, along with the other group projects, right? So this is how you would be able to do all these 22 tasks. Now let's come to this dashboard which I made you open at the starting. So here you can see there are variety of things. I have some points here, I have a leaderboard, and then I have a calendar or maybe learning streak here, right? So for every task that you would submit, as I told, there are 22 tasks and then group project, as well as there are some challenges. So in every task you do, you will get some points, some XPs, with which you can increase your level. So right now I am at the first level and a bronze 3, and you can increase your level and you can increase your leagues, right? And on the basis of your points, you can also climb up the leaderboard. So these are the top 10 people which you can see with these many experience points. And here at the bottom, you can see your rank, the current rank with the points that you would have. And then at the bottom, you have this streak. So if you come in daily, you would be able to maintain your streak. So I have been coming regularly since 35 days. So I have 35 days streak. So this is a great way to keep you disciplined and motivated, right? And here's the task section. So here you can see the feedback that the mentors would give you after you submit the task. So our mentors review every task that you submit and then approve it, and also give you the feedback on those tasks. And here you can see the different experience point each task would provide you, right? So this is how it would work. Now finally coming back to the challenge hall. So here you can see there are some challenges which you can similarly access by clicking at the open as button below. And then finally, this is the gaming arena, where if I go at the bottom, I can click on play games, and there are a variety of multiplayer games which I can choose from to play. So I can bring in other peers or other friends from the campus here, and I can play any of these games. So this was it about this whole platform. You can start learning right away. Just open this dashboard, and from here itself, everything would you would be able to do it. All the best.